yet to save, you will be amazed with Couponing Crystle.
Hey lovely people, Couponing Crystle here with a little Ibotta haul. My rebates reset, so I decided to do it again. Of course, the McCormick rebate reset for me. These, if you're unaware, it's a rebate where you purchase 3 of the McCormick items and you get $3 back. So in my Walmart, these were priced at 98 cents each, so $2.94 for 3. It's a 6-cent money maker because you're getting $3 back, but you only pay $2.94. That's a great deal. I needed to get shredded cheese anyway, so I had a 25-cent rebate back on any shredded cheese. Of course, this does not count towards your bonuses, but if you're buying it anyway, you might as well get 25 cents back. Obviously, I don't have a coupon for great value. I needed a cucumber. That really has nothing to do with this deal. But I did have a 25 cent back on any tomato, so I needed tomatoes, so I had to do that. I'm really liking these little caramel M&Ms. I did the rebate for these. These were actually priced, these were a little cheaper. This was a smaller pack. Let me look on my receipt and see how much they cost me. They were actually 78 cents. I should complain because it was at a spot where it was saying it was 64, but apparently that was in the wrong place. But at any rate, it was 78 cents. I got 25 cents back, and I like these M&Ms, so if it resets again, I will do it again. And this was a product I've never tried before. If you have, let me know in the comments below of this video. I actually got it for my husband because this is like a vegetarian style. There's no meat in it. It's a lasagna layered with savory cream sauce, buttered squash. It's like a vegetable lasagna. He could use this for his lunch. It was priced at $3.48 in my store, and then I got $1 back. So this was $2.48 after the rebate. Next, I did the Colgate again because the Colgate reset. The Colgate was $3.57. I had a $1 coupons.com coupon, and there is a $2 rebate, so the actual cost for this was 57 cents. Next, this was a pretty good deal, I felt, even though I did not have coupons. Now, the rebate did include the KC Masterpiece and the Kingsford barbecue sauce. Now, the reason why I didn't do the Kingsford, even though we had the $1 coupon from this past Sunday, is because they were a higher priced item. I actually would have paid more even with the coupons and the rebate. So it was a better deal to get the KC Masterpiece. So I got the sweet honey and molasses. All right. There was a rebate back on these. I got back $1 back for 2, so these were $1.58 each. $3.16 minus $1 makes it $2.16 for the 2 of them, a little over $1 for each. That's pretty good. Next, I did do the Canada Dry again because it reset. It was priced in my store $1.38, 25 cents back, so makes it $1.13. Now, I went to Harris Teeter also, and I did the Blue Bunny. The reason why I had to do the Blue Bunny is because they are delicious, number one, and they are a good deal. This week at Harris Teeter, and you got until tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day. They are $5.29. Buy one, and you get one free. So that made both of these be $5.29. I had a $2 off of 2 coupons.com coupon, dropping it to $3.29. Then I get a $1 rebate back on the 2, making it be $2.29 for 2 of these Blue Bunny snacks. And when I tell you these things are delicious, when I went back to Harris Teeter, I actually did this deal on Saturday, and I was able to get 1 chocolate chip cookie and 1 salted caramel. This one has a chocolate chip cookie on the bottom of it. It is so good. The salted caramel one has caramel and has pretzels on top of it. Salted caramel pretzel. It is delicious, lovely people. It's delicious, I'm trying to tell you. So do this deal. Go do this deal. If you got the rebate and you got the coupons at Harris Teeter, it's a great deal. And the reason why I really wanted to do the rebates, lovely people, was because I had a $2 stackable bonus. So I was trying to get that $2 bonus, and I did get that. So I was pretty pleased with my Ibotta haul. Make sure you keep in mind when you're doing any items that it does not count towards your bonus. But if you're going to buy the product anyway, you might as well get 25 cents back. Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.
Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.